What's your favorite part about India versus Pakistan?
In terms of rivalry, it's the shittiest cricket rivalry that we've seen. India, Australia, India, England, that's a rivalry for me.
पाकिस्तान की हालत ख़राब है अभी तो कुछ ज़्यादा होगा नहीं I guess.
The 2003 World Cup, Sachin's knock was really special, especially that cut over point of Shoaib Akhtar.
It was Bhaji getting Umar Akmal out in the 2011 World Cup. And मतलब मैं केवल 12-13 साल का था but I jumped on my bed, shouted like abused also. तो yeah.
Nice. All right, we are going to enter CDC office and let's see what's the scenes like. It's going to be India versus Pakistan, mother of all battles is what they say. Let's see क्या बोलती public. All right, guys, are you all ready? I think let's start with Avnish. Okay, very easy one. What's your favorite part about India versus Pakistan? इतना hype create होता है. Is it worth it?
No, not at all. I think it's the most one-sided rivalry the mankind has seen. Obviously, India-Pakistan in history, in terms of migration, is still the most. But in terms of rivalry, it's the shittiest cricket rivalry that we've seen. India-Australia, India-England, that's a rivalry for me.
All right, I think I need to send you the highlights of India versus Pakistan Champions Trophy 2017 final. Hardik, let's come to you. जैसे कि मैंने इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान फाइनल का मेंशन किया, थोड़े पुराने जख्मों को ताज़ा करते हैं. Who was the man of the match, the player of the match of the final?
Fakhar Zaman.
Absolutely. No, yeah, you were right. Okay, now can you guess the score?
90 odd or a century, no
He
idea.
scored a century, 114 runs is what he scored. And where should we go now? किसको पकड़ा जाए? विकास. बहुत पाकिस्तान की बात कर ली, but which Indian victory gave you like the most amount of goosebumps? Let's stick to ODI cricket.
2003.
Any specific moment? Tendulkar's iconic knock. Yeah. All right then, where should we go next? मुझे लग रहा है मेरे आते ही बहुत लोग भाग गए. Okay, now we have our stats guy Dhanush. Very easy one, very basic one. Who is India's top run getter versus Pakistan in ODI cricket?
Overall, Sachin Tendulkar.
Can you guess the number of runs he has scored? Because I knew this was coming.
Maybe over 2,500 runs.
Absolutely, 2,522 runs. Spot on. Now let's come to Gaurav. All right, Gaurav, are you excited for India versus Pakistan?
बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं क्योंकि I know पाकिस्तान की हालत ख़राब है अभी तो कुछ ज़्यादा होगा नहीं I guess.
The buzz ही नहीं है यार, मजा नहीं आ रहा है. Like हर एक को लग रहा है इंडिया ही जीतने वाला है. But you know, coming to you, Gaurav, ऐसा मुझे एक मोमेंट बताओ जो हुआ हो अभी तक that made you just jump out of excitement that oh my god, ये मोमेंट तो मैंने एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं किया था.
I think it was Bhaji getting Umar Akmal out in the 2011 World Cup. And मतलब मैं केवल 12-13 साल का था but I jumped on my bed, shouted like abused also. तो yeah.
Now, Arfan. So okay, I'll you know make you feel comfortable and rather. Okay, very easy one. I'll ask. ऐसे कौन से player की performance you know that is truly special to you? You have to be very player specific.
Maybe the 2015 World Cup 100 from Virat Kohli.
All right. Let's go to some, you know, pre-2010s as well. And I know just the right kind of guy for that. We have Pramod. Okay. So tell me, कोई ऐसा moment जिसके बारे में आप अभी भी सोचते हो कि that just left you spellbound?
Okay, spellbound. Yeah, as Vikas previously said, I think the 2003 World Cup, Sachin's knock was really special, especially that cut over point of Shoaib Akhtar. I just relive it quite often whenever I get the opportunity. And of course, the 2007 T20 World Cup finals. Of course,
Yes,
that was one
absolutely.
of them. And then the super over.
Yeah.
The bowl out, right?
bowl out.
that happened.
But yeah, it's T20I. But emotions are emotions.
In 2004 or something, I think there's this innings from Shahid Afridi also when India lost 200 something, right?
2014.
2004, not 14. No, I'm like long back. Champions Trophy only. We lost one game in Champions Trophy.
ओके तो चलो थोड़ा पाकिस्तान सेंट्रिक भी हमने किया, उनको भी थोड़ा लेवरेज देना यहाँ पे ज़रूरी है. प्रेडिक्शन टाइम गाइस.
India to win by 180 runs.
India winning by innings.
2017.
By an innings. माना कि बाबर आजम ने टेस्ट वाला नॉक खेला बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं टेस्ट क्रिकेट चल रहा है.
India winning by
To
innings
be
and
fair,
15
India has
runs.
won the game before the games began. This tournament should have been in Pakistan. They moved it to Dubai and now they humiliate them.
Wait, let me come back to Avnish. He has a lot to say. Avnish, you can take your frustration out.
I think Pakistan won't have a chance in Sunday's game purely because the 50-over format, the larger the format gets, the worse it is for them. Bobsy won't sort out any masla, and I generally think there'll be more TVs which will be broken across the border. That's how I see it. It's just a somber Sunday for Pakistan.
Their economy should also first allow them to break those TVs. Anyways, I just want to give you a deja vu moment. It's Dubai. Varun Chakravarti in the squad. Do you get some deja vu? Not the kind of deja vu you want.
I don't think there's going to be a 10-wicket win from Pakistan. No chance. No chance. I think it all depends on how they start with the ball. That's Pakistan's go-to modus operandi in the last 10 years. So I think India is just going to negate any threats. And I think the poster boys, Rohit and Virat, just going to shine.
I think not so bold.
What do you think?
If you ask my predictions, it's India all the way, no doubt. The way Pakistan have turned up, I don't think they really stand a chance this time. And it might be a do or die for them, but I think I just see the die part here. So there it is. I think the final verdict from the CDC office is out. It feels like it's going to be India all the way.